Hello, everyone. Welcome to Aura of Allegory. Today, we are delving into the fascinating world of penguins, where these charming creatures teach us profound lessons about life. Let's embark on a journey to discover 5 invaluable lessons inspired by the resilience, unity, and adaptability of penguins. Lesson 1: Resilience. Penguins face relentless challenges in their harsh Antarctic environment, yet they persist with unwavering determination. From blizzards to predators, they embody the spirit of resilience. Just like penguins, we too encounter hardships in our lives. The key is to embrace resilience, to bounce back stronger from adversity. Take a moment to reflect on a difficult experience you've overcome in the past. Write down 3 ways it made you stronger or taught you valuable lessons. Whenever you face a setback in the future, revisit this list to remind yourself of your resilience. Lesson 2: Teamwork. Penguins thrive in communities, relying on each other for survival. They understand the power of teamwork as they huddle together to brave the biting cold. In our own lives, cultivating strong relationships and working collaboratively can lead to remarkable achievements. Reach out to a friend, family member, or colleague whom you haven't spoken to in a while. Express gratitude for their presence in your life and offer your support in return. Strengthening bonds with others creates a network of support that helps us navigate life's challenges with greater ease. Lesson 3: Adaptability. Penguins are masters of adaptation, seamlessly transitioning between their icy habitat and the frigid waters of the ocean. They embrace change with grace and agility, a skill we can all benefit from in our rapidly evolving world. Step out of your comfort zone by trying something new or facing a fear head-on. Whether it's learning a new hobby, taking on a new challenge at work, or simply exploring a different route home, embrace the opportunity for growth that comes with stepping outside familiar boundaries. Lesson 4: Patience. Penguins teach us the virtue of patience as they endure long periods of waiting for their eggs to hatch or for food to return from the sea. Patience is not passive. It's a quiet strength that allows us to persevere in the face of uncertainty. Practice mindfulness meditation for just 5 minutes each day. Focus on your breath and observe your thoughts without judgment. Through consistent practice, cultivate patience and learn to embrace the present moment, regardless of what the future may hold. Lesson 5: Celebration of success. Lastly, penguins remind us of the importance of celebrating our victories, no matter how small. Whether it's the successful hatching of an egg or a successful fishing trip, they take joy in their achievements and share it with their community. Take a moment at the end of each day to acknowledge and celebrate your accomplishments, no matter how minor they may seem. Whether it's completing a task at work, reaching a personal milestone, or simply making someone smile, recognize your efforts and take pride in what you've achieved. In conclusion, the humble penguin offers us profound lessons on resilience, teamwork, adaptability, patience, and celebrating success. Let us embrace these teachings and apply them to our own lives, navigating the challenges ahead with grace, strength, and a sense of camaraderie. Just as penguins thrive in the harshest of environments, so too can we thrive amidst the uncertainties of life. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. And in the meantime, dear beautiful people, take care.